whether an image is an advertisement or not an advertisement. So, jumping straight to the solution, why not CNNs? For this particular problem statement, CNNs might not be the quite most efficient way. Why? Well, with no doubt, CNNs have been dominating the world of computer vision for quite a long time and they still do. Whether it be object segmentation, object detection, object classification, they are our go to choices. But for this task, they won't be that efficient. Why so? Because advertisements are quite volatile. Over the past years, they have changed drastically from having just a little bit of text or just some images to a combination of text and images and some other elements. So, this combination has made it quite hard for the model to interpret the advertisement and get a better complexity and have a meaning behind the images. So this timeline shows the advertisements of the brand Coca-Cola over the years, and we can clearly see the increase in complexity for the model. So jumping to a solution, I have used multi-models. Well, I have used Align. Align is a dual encoder architecture model which uses BERT as the textual encoder and EfficientNet for the vision encoder. Here's the deployed version of Align, which I did on Hugging Face using Gradio. So, on inputting this image of my Earth, it is classified as an advertisement with a probability of 95%, which is quite good. Though Align is a reliable model, there's a research paper, FLLAV, which says that dual architecture models, which contain dual encoders, can underperform when trained for a specific unimodal task. So this is a recently released model, ImageBind by Meta. So this is basically a joint embedding for different modalities, making it much better to adapt with unseen data, thus improving its few shot and zero shot capabilities, which is much more needed for our case because advertisements are never fixed, they always keep on changing. So here's the deployed version for image bind on Hugging Face. For the same image, Hugging Bind image bind shows a probability of 96% for it being an advertisement. So these are the directories for the same. For zero shot, we have align and image bind over here. And for fused multimodal, we have Quen VChat. So basically, Quen is a fused multimodal, giving it the freedom of getting away from the dual encoder system. It has been fused with the Quen encoder and vision encoder. So basically, Quen helps us to understand the feature which the model is targeting to classify it as an advertisement or not an advertisement. Also, Quen has an excellent capability of extracting the text from the image. So over here, we can see the text which is extracted from the image is exactly same as the one over here. So Quen has excellent capabilities and it can and in this prompt, in this answer, it is telling us why this image is considered as an advertisement. So over here is the directory folder for Quen, which comes under Fuse Multimodal. So this was it. Thank you.